In this video we take a look at the Multiplexed matrix switch, a product that can turn manual test procedures into semi or fully automatic sequences. Combining the power of ABI's automate software and the company's popular range of modular test instrumentation, the MMS is aimed at the following applications: low to medium volume functional test on components and complete assemblies, signal routing for design verification and data acquisition requirements, automatic measurements and comparison of signals from up to 64 points on a circuit. Hi, today I'm going to show you how the new multiplexed matrix switch, or simply MMS, works. The MMS is a 16 by 16 matrix interface that offers 256 cross points to connect any channel to any channel with up to 16 unique paths at a time. It can also be used as a multiplexer or demultiplexer. Multiple test solutions can be easily set up for high channel count applications. For technical details on the MMS and the System8 range of test instrumentation from ABI, click on the links that can be found in the video description. Designed to work exclusively with ABI's range of test instruments, the MMS can deliver high-level results without the need for programming and for a fraction of the cost of a traditional ATE, PXI or LXI instrumentation. Let's take a look at how the MMS, used in conjunction with ABI's test equipment and software, will help you complete test sequences more quickly. ABI's Test Flow Manager, which is an integral part of the System8 Automate software, organizes your test sequence in an easy-to-follow manner and includes a wealth of customization options, media integration and reporting facilities. You can select the tests that you require, store masks and set targets, include work instructions plus sections for users to input values and data acquired, for example. The test flow records test results and instrument settings such as those used to configure the MMS. Executing complex tests and completing data acquisition processes become much simpler. In each step, 16 unique paths can be created between the instruments connected to the rear of the MMS and the accessories, probes or test fixture plugged into the front of the unit. With ABI's multiplexed matrix switch and the company's user-friendly System8 Automate software, you can easily and cost-effectively automate existing low and medium volume test routines and applications. Start the test flow in the exclusive run mode, sit back and watch measurements being acquired, compared and results logged automatically in a matter of seconds. Review the comprehensive test result at the end, or simply have the software stored safely in a designated location on your server or computer.